Hey guys, you absolutely have to check this out. This is the all-new PC032B timer water bottle from ProStar, and it's seriously an amazing product. It's a sleek 5mm stainless steel bottle and here's the best part. It features mechanical time on the lid. And since it's fully mechanical and it doesn't require batteries at all. And when it's not running, give it a little shake and you will hear the classical mechanical clicking sound, which means it's ready to use. And to use it, simply twist the top to set your countdown from 0 to 15 minutes. And if you want to use the timer separately, just slide the switch to unlock it and depart it from the lid. And it is surprisingly useful in so many situations. For example, when you are cooking in the kitchen, you can easily time your pasta or eggs right on the counter top without touching your phone. If you are studying, it's perfect for the Pomodoro technique and staying focused. Heading to gym, you can check yoga holds or rest intervals between sets with ease. You can even use it for your skincare routine, like timing your face mask, so you know exactly when it's time to rinse off. Plus, it's also a fun little reminder to drink more water throughout the day. And we didn't stop there. We know cleaning bottles can be annoying, so we decided it with a super wide mouth for easy cleaning. It also comes with a handy silicone strip, making it easy to grab and go. And let's talk about the finish. Both the bottle and the timer feature a premium soft touch roll coating. It feels incredibly comfortable in your hand, and the surface is perfect for laser logo customization. And based of all, this design is 100% exclusive to ProStar. And if you are looking for a unique corporate gift or promotional item, we can customize it with your logo. And it's practical, memorable, and something people will actually use every day. So don't wait, send us a message or email us to get a quote. Let's create your customer design.